In this video, I'll show you how to use your Cloudflare SSL certificate. So all you want to do is open the Cloudflare dashboard, and it should put you on the account home, and you'll be able to see your domains over here. And you just want to click on any of your domains. Then on the left, you'll see SSL/TLS and click on that. And that'll bring a drop down and you'll click on Origin Server. Now from there, you want to click on Create Certificate. And here they'll outline the steps for creating your certificate. So you'll choose your private key type. Then you'll continue to list the host names, which will usually just be your domain name. And then you want to set your certificate's expiry date. And once you're done, all you need to do is hit create. And that is how you set up the certificate for your domain. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.